Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you iOS 17.1 update after iPhone volume button not working. Recently, lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reporting to iOS 17.1 update after iPhone volume up and down button is not working. Here in this video, I give you some solutions for fixing this issue. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 1 is ensure iPhone's volume button are enabled. For that, now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the sound and haptics. In the sound and haptics, you can see also change with the buttons. If you turn off, so guys, please make sure turn on this button. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Solutions number 2 is remove your iPhone case. If you have installed a case on your iPhone, remove it and press the volume up button and also check if they are working or not. If the volume button is working fine, your iPhone case are culprit and not your iPhone hardware. Solutions number 3 is clean your volume buttons. Some dust in your iPhone volume button, please make sure use the soft cloth with water and alcohol to clean your volume buttons on your iPhone and iPad. Cleaning after, again press the volume up button and also volume down button, 100% working fine. Solutions number 4 is most important. Now the solutions 4 is force restart your iPhone and iPad. If you using iPhone 15 series, 14 series, 13 series, 12 series, 11 series and X series, then follow these steps. First of all, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button and also press and hold the on off button at the same time. When the Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release all the buttons and easily restart your iPhone. For restart done, after again try to press volume up button and volume down button, 100% working on your iPhones. Sometimes problem in your iPhone settings. Now fifth one solutions is most important, reset all settings. For that, now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, you can see also transfer and reset iPhone. Now tap on the reset. In reset, you can see also first one option is reset all settings. Now enter your correct passcode and now again tap on the reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Solutions number 6 is most important. Now use the Asstive Touch to adjust your volume on your iPhone and iPad. For that, now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the accessibility. In the accessibility, you can see also again scroll down and find out the touch. In touch, you can find out the Asstive Touch options. If the Asstive Touch options is turned off, so guys, please make sure turn on this toggle. Turn on after, you can see also come back to home screens. After tap on the Asstive Touch. In Asstive, tap on the device. In device, volume up and down options available. Now tap on the volume up and down to adjust your volume on your iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 7 is use control center to adjust volume. First of all, open the control center on your iPhone. After, you can see also volume slider available. Now please make sure up and down to adjust your volume on your iPhone and iPad. This problem show on your iPhone 17.1 updates. So guys, now 8 number solutions is software update. So guys, now first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad, and after open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, software update options available. If you any software update available, now latest versions to upgrade your iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 9 is most important. Now the solutions is hard reset on your iPhone and iPad. For that, now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, now you can see also reset and transfer options available. Now please make sure tap on it. After, you can see also erase all content and setting. Now please make sure tap on it. Before that, now please make sure backup of your iPhone and after tap on the erase. Last one solutions is contact to Apple support. Now please make sure you go to the Apple service center. You can say also volume button is not working. Your problem 100% fix. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.